Hello friends, in advanced web designing we were learning CSS and our topic was positioning in CSS. In previous lecture we have already seen static and fixed positioning, and in today's lecture we will see what is relative positioning and what is absolute positioning. For that we will see one example. For example, I have made one program here. See, I have made one class here whose name is first, and I am giving its position relative. What is mean by relative? The relative positioning is what that is related with its normal position. If I am not giving here any positions, then what will be the position of that text and what will be it after I give the positioning relative here. If I am not giving any positioning here, then that is static positioning, right? So it will be related with static positioning. Relative to static positioning means its top is minus 10 pixel from its static position and its right will be minus 10 from its static position. And what is absolute? Absolute is the position that fixes the text to its exact position, that is from left it will set it to 100 pixels and from top it will set it to 150 pixels. Let's see how it will work. So see, in h1 tag they have importing first class here, and h2 is directly positioned here to absolute positioning. So let's see how it will work. So I am running this program. See, you can see that 10 pixels minus 10 pixels from its top and minus 10 pixels from its right. In likewise it is given in the program. See that from top it is minus 10 pixels and it is from right it is from minus 10 pixels. So from right minus 10 means what? At left 10, and from top minus 10 means from bottom it is giving you a 10 pixels. From top it is giving you 10 pixels. And absolute positioning is what? You can see from left it is 100 pixels are left for this, 100 pixels are left for this, and that from top 150 pixels are left. So this T is starting from 100 pixels from left and 150 pixels from top. So that is absolutely positioned here, and this is relative position with its static position. So you can likewisely position its text in the program. We will see its more example with absolute positioning and relative positioning and fixed positioning in next lecture. I hope you understand this lecture. Thank you so much.